Hey, it's Davey, automotive specialist at Carma. Today we'll be doing our interiors. It's not shameful to have a dirty car. When my car is clean, I'm happy. First, we vacuum, but taking out the floor mats. Okay. Spray with some cleaner. Any cleaner is fine. And then I go in with the drill. The drill brush is really great for getting all that muck off your floor mats. Obviously, a brush at home is fine, but this is just faster. Now, we go in with the vacuum, vacuuming side to side and top to bottom. Up next, we have our trims and upholstery. We just go in with a brush and some cleaner. We go in a circular motion. If you don't have a detailing brush, a toothbrush works just fine. And finish off with a microfiber wipe. Same thing with our leather seats. We can go in with the cleaner and a brush, but with leather conditioner afterwards. So still in the same circular motion, cleaning the seats. The cleaner can be a bit drying on the leather. To maintain our leather, we put leather conditioner afterwards. And then with the brush, make sure you always get in between the seams. Make sure you get all the dirt and dust that gets built up all the time. Look how clean it is. And if you have fabric seats, we can use a wet-vac to clean your seats. Really working today. After our seats, we attack the steering wheel and our dash. Still with the same brush and cleaner, but go light on the cleaner. You don't want to get the cleaner inside the buttons. End it with a wipe. And our dash, just a bit of cleaner on our microfiber cloth. Go over lightly. And then for our screen, make sure we don't damage the screen. We just go in with a dry microfiber. Wipe lightly, just so we don't ruin the touchscreen. For our windows, you go in with a waffle towel, helps with streaks, and just some normal glass cleaner. Yeah. Spraying directly on, and then going in circular motions again until it shines. Now for our final touch, now that everything's nice and clean inside, we can go in with an odor eliminator. It helps if you close the doors and leave it in for 5 minutes and then come back. And like a cherry on top, go in with our Carma air freshener. All Carma cars come with this, so you're guaranteed to smell good.